You've been on testosterone for months. Your numbers look perfect on paper, and you still feel like absolute crap. Tired, foggy, belly fat that won't move, sleep still broken. If that's you, this video is going to explain exactly why. And the 3 peptides that fix what testosterone alone cannot. Here's what nobody tells you when you start TRT. Testosterone fixes a lot. Energy comes back. Strength improves, mood lifts. But testosterone only fixes about 60 to 70% of the problem. The other 30%? That's where most men get stuck. Sleep is still broken. You wake up at 3 a.m. and stare at the ceiling. Belly fat around the middle, even though you're training. Brain fog that makes you feel like you're running on half power. Recovery after the gym takes twice as long as it used to. And your doctor looks at your testosterone number, says it's fine, and sends you home. The reason this happens is not that TRT isn't working. The reason is that testosterone replacement fixes testosterone. But your body has 4 other systems that also decline after 45. And testosterone doesn't touch any of them. Growth hormone drops 50% by age 50. That's what drives deep sleep, fat metabolism, and muscle repair. Your gut lining becomes more permeable, causing low-grade inflammation that leaks into your bloodstream constantly. Dopamine and serotonin regulation drops, causing brain fog and a flat mood that testosterone can't fix. And your cortisol rhythm gets disrupted, destroying your sleep cycle and making belly fat almost impossible to lose. 4 systems. Testosterone fixes none of them. This is where peptides come in. Peptides are short chains of amino acids that signal your body to do specific things. They don't replace your hormones. They activate systems that hormones can't reach. And there are 3 peptides specifically that fill the exact gaps TRT leaves behind. Peptide number 1, CJC-1295, combined with Ipamorelin. After 45, your growth hormone production crashes. By 50, you're making about 50% less than when you were 30. Growth hormone is what drives your deep sleep cycle. No growth hormone, no deep sleep. No deep sleep, no fat loss, no muscle recovery, no mental clarity. CJC-1295 and Ipamorelin work together to stimulate your pituitary gland to release growth hormone naturally, not replacing it, waking it up. Men who use this stack report deeper sleep within 2 to 3 weeks. Waking up actually rested, some for the first time in years. And as sleep improves, belly fat starts to move, because cortisol drops when you sleep properly. Peptide number 2, BPC-157. Most men on TRT think BPC-157 is just for injuries. It's not. After 45, your gut lining becomes progressively more permeable. This means low-grade inflammation leaks into your bloodstream constantly. That chronic inflammation is why you feel stiff in the morning, why your joints ache, why your mood is flat, why you can't lose the belly. BPC-157, Body Protection Compound, was legalized again in February 2026 after RFK's announcement. It repairs the gut lining, reduces systemic inflammation, and accelerates tissue recovery. Men using BPC-157 alongside TRT report morning stiffness gone within 3 to 4 weeks. Gym recovery cut in half. Gut bloating and discomfort reduced significantly. And mood more stable and consistent throughout the day. Peptide number 3, Selank. This one most men have never heard of, and it might be the most underrated peptide on this list. Selank is a synthetic peptide originally developed in Russia for anxiety and cognitive performance. It works by modulating GABA, serotonin, and dopamine simultaneously. That combination does something testosterone cannot. It sharpens mental clarity while reducing the low-level anxiety that comes with hormonal decline. Men who add Selank to their TRT protocol describe it as, like someone cleaned the fog off my windshield. First time in years I can focus for more than 20 minutes. Calmer, sharper, more like myself at 35. If you want the complete protocol, timing, dosing, labs, and doctor scripts. I have a full playlist specifically for men over 45 on TRT and peptides. And if you want it all in one place, the exact protocol, the lab tests to request, and the scripts to use with your doctor, I put it together in a guide called The Testosterone Fix. It's available at the link in the description. One document, everything you need. Now let me show you exactly how to use these three together and why timing matters. Everything in this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a doctor. Talk to a licensed healthcare provider before starting any peptide protocol. CJC-1295 combined with Ipamorelin. Take this 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Growth hormone releases during deep sleep, so you need both aligned for maximum effect. BPC 157. Take this in the morning fasted. Your gut is most receptive when empty. It repairs faster and absorbs better without food. Selank. Use this in the morning or midday. Nasal spray is the easiest route. It works within 20 minutes, so time it before demanding work or a training session. The timeline for this stack. Weeks 1 and 2. Sleep starts to shift. You may notice more vivid dreams. That's the growth hormone cycle activating. Weeks 3 and 4. Morning stiffness reduces. Energy on waking improves. Weeks 5 to 8. Brain fog clears. Belly fat starts to move. Recovery is noticeably faster. Weeks 8 to 12. The compound effect. All four systems working together alongside TRT. Here's what I want you to take away from this. TRT is not failing you. TRT is doing exactly what testosterone does. The problem is that at 45 plus, your body needs more than one system fixed. Sleep, inflammation, gut, brain chemistry. Testosterone handles the hormonal layer. These three peptides handle the rest. I have an entire playlist built specifically for men over 45, covering every peptide protocol for energy, sleep, libido, brain, and recovery. It's called Peptides for Men 45. The link is in the description. Go there now, start the next video. If you're on TRT and still not where you want to be, that playlist is your next step. And if this is the kind of content you've been looking for science first, no BS, specifically for men over 45, hit subscribe. Every week I break down exactly what works, what doesn't, and what your doctor isn't telling you. No supplements to sell, no agenda, just the research. I'll see you in the next one.